Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we are gonna test a wig that I bought from Daiso, and I have a neutral look right now, and let me show you what wig I got. So this is the wig that I got from Daiso. This is only for $6. Can you imagine that? $6. So we're gonna test it out right now, and if you want to know how I look, keep on watching. Here is the wig that I got from Daiso. I was just curious because there are like 3 available wigs there, but this is the decent one that I think that I will be able to utilize on my looks. The other ones look kind of, I think the colors would look more fake. You know what I mean, like it's gonna look more synthetic, so I choose like a more natural color. So this one is a dark brown, khaki brown, it says here khaki brown, and it's freeze eye. So I don't really know how long this is, but it just says that it's straight long type. So I was just curious, like I was excited to be able to see, because I don't have much of a collection. I don't have a lot of wig collection. I only have 3, and that's what I've been working on right now, but I wanted to do other looks, so I'm really interested on getting a new one. And then when I saw this from Daiso, which is only $6, I jumped on and got this bad boy right here. So I think this is gonna be synthetic, so let's try it out. So I'm gonna place my hair first in a bun, or put my wig cap, so that it will be easier for us to put on the wig. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have my wig cap on. I don't have the traditional wig cap, so I have to buy that. It takes us like almost 2 hours to get to Daiso, like our mall, because we live in a suburban area, so we're really far from the civilization. So here is the wig. Okay, so here is the wig. Let's see, let's be careful. It has bangs, which I don't really care much for $6, but I would prefer a wig with no bangs. So the wig has bangs, but it doesn't really matter to me. It's only for $6, but if I would prefer to have a wig with no bangs, because sometimes it's annoying. It goes all over my face and I can fix it. So definitely from touching it, it's really synthetic, but look at that, it's very shiny, isn't it? So let's be careful. Here is the front, because you can see the bangs. Let's check the inside of it. So this is the inside of the wig. There's no clamp like the usual wig. It's just it. You just like wear it over your head. Like it has like that garterized whatever. So let's just put it on. Let's try it. I don't even know how to put this on, but let's put it on whatever. Oh no. The bangs is over here. Hold on. Let me figure this out. But it's gonna be that easier, huh? Okay. I know I'm not putting it the right way, but this is the easiest way that works for me. See, I told you that's why I don't like bangs, because it's hard. So let's see. But it's very flexible. Let's see. Let's check myself in the mirror. Okay, so let's fix that bangs. Yep, there you go. And then, hold on. I'm gonna zoom in, guys. I look like a, what do you call that? A chola. Okay, that's it. That's the perfect fit that I can do for this hair. And let's fix the bangs. See? The bangs looks crazy. Look at the picture. It's gonna be like Korean, but it's not. It's straight. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Oh well, what do we expect for $6? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try to fix. Oh my gosh. Well, it snugs perfectly right there. We just have to figure out this bangs. Like, why is it like this? Should I pull it up a little bit higher? Why? This one looks fine. Like, there's a direction to it. Let me see. There's a direction. I'm gonna pin both sides so it's not moving. It has, like, it's just fine for a synthetic hair. It's fine. The thickness of the hair is fine for $6. There. Yes. Okay, there. And let's see the front. Okay. It's up until here on my chest. Oh my god, look at me. It looks so different with wigs.
Let me brush it. Let me brush the ends. It's a little bit tangled. Okay. So far, alright. So my problem right now is the base. What do I do with the pins? Yeah, it's really shiny.
Struggle. I want this to work because, like, I'm only gonna use the wig for like pictures, so I have some clips here, so let's see if this is gonna work. As much as possible, I don't want to cut it because I don't want to ruin it as well. Oh, that looks cute. Alright guys, okay, so what do I think about this wig? Let me first put on some gloss from Jeffree Star. Guys, what do you think? It's so pretty. Yeah, I think we can make this work, right? It's pretty. You can style it whatever you want just to make it look good and presentable. But for $6, I'm not complaining because it's just for pictures. But if you really need like a legit wig, then that's the time that you need to buy a front lace wig. So the other store that I can recommend, the one that I always have, is from Andrea Hair Products. I will leave the link down below so you can also order from that store. So I love their hair because it's really volume. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's fine, right? Okay, so guys, if you did enjoy this review, give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel and comment down below the stores where you usually buy your wigs, and if you think that this is a good buy, just tell me on the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.